For lab number 6 for Boardmaker, I decided to make a sensory choice board. This board would be able to help students with autism or students who are nonverbal who need a communication board to help communicate their needs. I decided to do a choice board with 4 different sections. That way, if they're needing different type of sensory needs at a certain time, they can pick out of that row, or they can pick a couple objects to do in a sequence. The first row I did like beanbag, ball, rocking chair. This is just kind of the relaxing, calming section if they've done a lot of work and they just kind of need to chill out. Second row I did more of a gross motor section. That way they can get those big muscles moving to get some energy out. The third section is more of a fine motor, hands-on section, more of like a kind of a reinforcement section if they want to do Play-Doh, play with bubbles, the sensation of sand. And the fourth row is a sensory, more of a sensory section for deep compression if they're needing or feeling overstimulated and they need help to calm themselves down. Next, I'll go ahead up to hit play. Preview the page. When I first hit it, it'll read Sensory Choice Board out loud. And then this will give the student the option to go and choose, say if they wanted to choose beanbag, and they click on the button, it will verbally see it, they'll verbally hear it, that way they can see and hear what they're doing. Say our student, hey, we have 10 minutes of reinforcement time, what would you like to do out of the red row? They would go ahead if they wanted bubbles, and that way we can reinforce that and they can have that reinforcement time. And this would be good to use at any time if you see if your kid is getting overwhelmed or overstimulated. We could bring up our sensory choice board and give them the option to pick an item. That way they can help calm themselves down to get ready to start working again.